A significant project in our campaign is a new main entrance to the school. In many ways, a main entrance is the front door to the school and to the experience of being at Scecina. We want our students who walk to campus, who ride their bikes here, who drive to campus, and parents and visitors who do the same, to see us from a distance and to feel drawn and welcomed to Scecina. The new entrance in front of the school building will include handicap accessibility features, a convenient way for parents to drop off and pick up students, new landscaping, and new signage that reflects our Catholic identity and that again welcomes the community to our school. If you've already helped us to turn this vision into reality, thank you very much. And if you've not yet participated in the campaign, we certainly invite you to join us soon, and thank you in advance.
Hi, my name is Amori Curiel. I'm a senior at Scecina and I am involved in soccer, track, student ambassadors, and National Honor Society. I'm really excited about a new main entrance here at Scecina and changing it up. I think it'll just bring new life in general to our school. Us as students, we've seen a lot of changes inside the school, but I think now that we'll have a change outside, then the whole community will be able to see what Scecina can do.